Good night, everybody. It is August 21st, 2026. I'm going to go through a little basic wireless lab here with you tonight. There's a DHCP router, IOL DHCP router, a managed switch, an Alpine box, a wireless AP, that's new to CML, and a wireless client. Let's take a look at the DHCP router. This is standard DHCP configuration. I excluded 1.1 to 1.20. Okay. Under the interfaces, there's nothing special. It's an IP address. Let's take a look at the Alpine box. I'm just testing the DHCP with this Alpine box. And I got 1.21. 192.168.1.21. What should I expect? Let's take a look at the wireless AP. I got 1.23. I'm going to turn on the wireless client now to show you how the wireless in CML works. It should take a little while to boot up. I haven't done this in so long. Oh boy. So it is up now and is waiting for a connection to be established. And there you go. That's the connection there. Let's check the IP address. Oh, it didn't get an address from DHCP. Let's do some troubleshooting. I'm going to stop it. Reboot it essentially. See if it gets an address via DHCP. And there you go. There's your address from DHCP. You should be able to ping. We're pinging the DHCP router, and it pings. So there's connectivity. You could drag this all over the place. It's fun. I look at the signal strength, go up and down. See, it went up. Put it back here. Okay, that's all I wanted to do tonight. Feel free to like and subscribe. If you're not comfortable with the wireless, this video should help you. Okay, y'all take it easy. I'm gone.